page. First of all, let me introduce myself to each one of you. I am Harmeet Kaur from Divine Healing, and this is the official page from where I do all my work. I am a tarot angel and a Lenormand card reader, a numerologist, a crystal therapist, an angel therapist, and I deal in number and chakra card healings. So before starting the session, first of all I would like to thank Neha for taking this initiative and also making me a part of this. So this is a beautiful way in this tough times. So whatever we can do on our part, we as a collective team whose main header to do our bit in the body of blood. We learn about tarot cards came into existence, tarot cards, how readings are done, and what is the right way to ask a question, and how you should take tarot card as a guidance tool rather than being a fortune telling tool. And I'll also share some techniques besides tarot. Without reading tarot card, we can be used in many other ways also to bring changes in our life. And after that, whoever is on the live, if they want the readings, I'll do tarot readings also for them. But I won't do any health readings or any readings related to the pandemic. And the reason why I'm saying so will unfold as I take the tarot session ahead. So starting the session with a gratitude to the universe, and again to Neha for taking this initiative and even making me a part of it. So and if time allows, I'll share some tips even to how we can come over the negativity which we are facing right now in this situation. First of all, I should feel you should in fact thank Divine that we have been given this time. So we can use this time in a very creative way. Maybe over the years, schedules, we were not able to do things which this time we can use in a creative way to do whatever we were not able to do in the past. So it is not necessary that you need to whatever you feel like, whatever creative things that make you happy and that changes your mood and bring positivity in your life, you can do that. It may be cooking for somebody, it may be drawing for somebody. A person like me would like to add on more modalities to my, for some I'm trying to say, use this, utilize this time and make yourself busy. Instead of sitting idle, it's better to utilize this time and make yourself busy, so no negative thoughts come into your mind. Busy with your all daily routine, whatever you are engaged in. So because there is a saying, empty mind is the devil's workshop. खाली दिमाग शैतान का घर होता है, एंड इट इज़ वेरी वेरी ट्रू. आप अगर खाली बैठेंगे तो जितना सारा टाइम आपके आजू बाजू या आपके दिमाग में नेगेटिव थॉट्स ही घूमती रहेंगी. पर अगर वही टाइम आप कोई क्रिएटिव चीज़ में यूज़ करेंगे, इट इज़ नॉट नेसेसरी, वो कुछ भी हो सकता है जिस चीज़ से आपको हैप्पीनेस मिले, जो चीज़ आपके नेगेटिव थॉट्स को पॉजिटिव कर सके, वो ही पॉजिटिविटी लाता है और वो ही बेस्ट टूल है जो आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं. अब नाउ स्टार्टिंग विद द टैरो सेशन. टैरो वे बैक्स टू 15th सेंचुरी यूरोप में इट वाज यूज्ड एज प्लेइंग कार्ड्स, और उन्हीं कार्ड से कुछ गेम्स खेले जाते थे. एंड फिर इट वॉज नियर अबाउट 18th सेंचुरी जब वो ये चीज़ अमेरिका में यूज़ होनी शुरू करी तो इट वॉज using this tarot deck for fortune telling. So first of all, what is tarot cards? See, this is a deck. This is a deck cards. Major arcana in it and 56 minor arcana in it. Major arcana help find the spiritual and karmic lessons which we might be going through or which we need to understand. And the minor arcana help us to know the day-to-day findings. And again, the minor arcana are again divided into 4 suits. They are cup, pentacles, wands, and and each of the suits have a particular meaning for that term. And these cards are full of symbols, and even these symbols on the cards have lot of meaning and lot of energy. And the most important thing is that there are fixed ways to read their way of that. So how are tarot readings done? Tarot cards have their energies. The reader tap into the cards energies. Then the reader tap into the person who's asking the question in their energies. But whatever answer we get is what is in the subconscious mind of the person asking and what is prepared for. No answer will come beyond that which the person is not prepared for, because somewhere it is in their subconscious mind also. We are just tapping the energies through cards and our own intuitive energies. So this is the way how the readings are done. Now the most important thing is that I would say why I got attracted to this modality. After there are so many ways of doing fortune telling. I don't use tarot as fortune telling. I use it as a guidance tool. It is an amazing tool if you actually take it as a guidance tool instead of a fortune telling tool. The best reason is that, and we don't need your date of birth, neither your time of birth. Even then we can do the readings for you. So this was one of the reasons why I was more introduced towards this tarot card readings. And the next most important thing is that the mindset you come to a tarot reader. First of all, tarot readings are done in person and are done online on calls also, as I do most of my reading online on calls. It completely depends on the tarot reader how his or their energies work for them. So the most important thing what I want to suggest, and even what I suggest my client also, don't come with a mindset of doing fortune telling or to predict things, but instead come with a mindset to get guidance from the two. I'll explain you, because putting up a right question is very necessary to get right guidance from tarot cards. I'll explain you with an example. Suppose if a client, usually a client comes, when will a thing happen? I'll give you with an example. When will my financial find out the reason that you are not able to whatever you want to. So in the end, what is our motive? हमारा मकसद क्या है कि हम उस फाइनेंशियल कंडीशन को, उस फाइनेंशियल पोजीशन को अटेन कैसे करें. तो वो डेट ज़्यादा या वो टाइम ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है, या वो रास्ता, वो ज़रिया ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है जिससे हम वहाँ पर पहुँचेंगे. सो आई फील वो ज़रिया, वो रास्ता ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है कि हम वो वहाँ पर कैसे पहुँच सकें. अब गिविंग यू अ सिंपल एग्जाम्पल, बिकॉज बिफोर आई स्टार्टेड द सेशन आई टोल्ड आई हेल्थ रीडिंग्स, नो रीडिंग्स रिलेटेड टू कोविड, बिकॉज मेरे को पता है मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चन वुड बी कि मैम कब ये व्हेन विल दिस कोविड गेट ओवर, या व्हेन द एपिडेमिक विल गेट ओवर. Just try to understand. There are so many people. Everybody is predicting, but nobody is sure about it. So, what is more necessary in this time to understand what needs to be done, so we can get over this situation. And I think so. You don't need even a tarot reading for that. It is very cut and clear. आप hygiene maintain